last step that we are doing is also changing these batteries. I'm going to use a anti-gravity lithium-ion battery. So we'll just take this one off, compare the weights of the two batteries, and then give you the actual numbers. Just a disclaimer, always connect the negative terminal first, because the negative is also your ground. In the motorcycle, it's a negative DC. So even if you touch the negative while your positive is hooked to the ground or to the body of your motorcycle, it should stay perfectly fine. But if you touch the positive while the negative is connected, you will see some spark flying around. So always disconnect the negative terminal first. So here's the this one is the old BMW battery that we took out from the HP4. If you see, this was the actual battery that we got when we got the motorcycle, because it has the label. It was the authentic OEM BMW battery, right? It says BMW here as well. It's a Yuasa White AZ7S. So we'll be replacing it with the anti-gravity lithium ion. The only thing is, so this one says 2.1 kilograms. Let's weigh this first and see if this is actually correct. So if you see, it comes out to be 4 pounds and 10 ounces. Let's change 4.6, 2.1 kilograms. So this is super precise, guys, what they've been mentioning. It's a 6 amp hour battery, 10 hours. Now let's go ahead and change this with this lithium ion. I'll still keep it in the package. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's a weight reduction of almost 2 kilograms. So we'll go ahead and install this one. Not to have any controversy, I just took the packing paper out. If you guys can see, there's no weight difference. So it was 0.6 kilograms with this packing, and it's still 0.6 kilograms. But there's a huge weight saving to what came as the OEM battery from BMW installed in that HP4. This one is 2.15 kilograms. So you are almost saving like a 1.55 kilograms. That is equivalent to this. This is equivalent to your 2.61 pounds. Huge weight saving, guys. We have a lot of these in stock. I have been installing this anti-gravity battery on my friends Ducati Superleggeras. They're $11.99, $12.99. I have installed this on the MV Agusta F4RR. Again, if we change the battery on any motorcycle, we are only doing anti-gravity. Let me also start by pointing this out. So this size of the battery that we have is also considerably smaller than the actual OEM battery that we get, the Yuasa. Now we do have Yuasas in stock. Again, if you want to order, you can go to our website, 2to4wheels.com. But like, because we need some weight saving, weight reduction, we'll just go with the anti-gravity. So because the size is different, if you see, we get this OEM casing, and if we try to mount this battery inside, you see, like, down below you have some gap here, and then whenever we'll mount this battery in the seat, we won't be able to fit it. So you see, there's a seat here inside the bike, inside the motorcycle, and because there's a gap here, we won't be able to sit this battery on that seat, because it will be hanging loose and it will be always pushing down. So there's a very clever thing that anti-gravity has done. They provided two pucks. You can go ahead, either keep it here or just paste it here. So we'll just take it off and paste it. Before that, I just need to clean the seat, the battery seat, or the battery bucket, you can say. I just need to clean it so that this can stick there for a longer time. Went ahead, cleaned the seat, installed. I would say these are just the paddings on the battery to increase the height. And now we are ready to install this battery. And we'll have considerable weight savings as well. So this is ready to go on the motorcycle now. The battery is well seated now. It's flushed to the actual mounting. We'll just install the pucks or the mounting nuts. So once this battery is seated properly in the seat, let's first install the positive side, or the positive terminal I should say, and start the process. So we'll not do anything crazy here. I'm just thinking I'll lightly hold a bolt inside so that we are not moving anything, and then I'll do the same for the other side. Even though we are going to install the positive terminal first, I'm just doing this demo so that we don't drop this battery nut again. So if you see now, like it's all fit, I can go ahead mount the positive terminal with the battery tender cable and do the same on the other side. If you see now, we have a very good access. So if you can see, this bracket already has a place to hold the negative terminal, and it has the positive terminal coming from the back. So the S1000 does not have this great fit and finish. So this is something I really enjoy. The only last step that I have is to tighten this, and then we are good. We are saving 2 kilograms, guys. 2 kilograms is huge savings on a motorcycle.